In this question, it says that the incidence of cystic fibrosis among a population of European is going to be 1 out of 2,500. So they're saying incidence of, I'm going to forget about cystic fibrosis, I'm just going to say autosomal recessive disease. Incidence of any autosomal recessive disease is going to be Q squared, which in this case is 1 out of 2,500. If they said incidence of allele, then it would have been Q, the value of Q. But they're saying that incidence of autosomal recessive disease, incidence of cystic fibrosis disease is going to be Q squared, which in this case is going to be 1 out of 2,500. So next they're saying that which of the following is a predicted incidence of carriers for cystic fibrosis mutation in this population. So now they're saying incidence of carriers is what? Now the incidence of carriers of cystic fibrosis is going to be 2pq. That means we have to find the value of p and the value of q. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have q squared is equal to 1 out of 2,500, which is also equal to 1 over 50 squared, which is also equal to 50 minus 2, right? 50 minus 2. Now, sorry, 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2. So then Q is equal to 50 minus 1 by 2 times 2. The 2 and the 2 cancels. We're left with Q is equal to 50 minus 1. So Q is equal to 1 over 50. Clear, right? So we know the value of Q. Let's find the value of P. So P plus Q is equal to 1. So P is equal to 1 minus Q. So P is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 over 50, which is also equal to, P is equal to, we have in the denominator, we have 50. So 50 minus 1 is 49 out of 50. So that's a value of P. So we have the value of P and we have the value of Q. Now we're going to find 2PQ. So let's do that. So now we have 2 times P times Q, where 2 times P was 49 over 50 times Q is 1 over 50, right? Now if you do 49 over 50, that is approximately 1. So we are going to forget about this and we're just going to put it as 1 for the sake of simplicity, because they are trying to make it simple. So 2 times 1 over 50 is equal to 1 over 25. And that is the predicted incidence of carriers of cystic fibrosis mutation in this population, A.